How thick wheel spacers do I need?
Usually, the safest wheel spacer size is no longer than the fender clearance. The most common method is to measure the distance from the edge of the tire to the fender line. Take the metal ruler straight edge and place it against the outermost part of one front ring. Then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. That's the thickness you can run wheel spacers to get the wheel flush to the fender. For Audi A4, this distance is 15 mm. With BONOSS 15 mm wheel spacers, you can get the wheels flush with the fender. In order to get max manual performance and a better experience, it is vital that you have the brand new wheel spacers. Vehicle-specific wheel spacers are considered to be the safest wheel spacers. They're machined to your vehicle specification, which ensures perfect fitment. BONOSS aluminum wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard coat anodizing. A proper hard anodizing coating ensures completely protection against corrosion. The black dye not only brings a premier appearance but also tends to be light-fast. This means that the coatings will not fade easily.
For more information, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.